Who is such a good doggo?
I've been using PetLab ProBright Advanced Dental Formula for my dogs, and let me tell you, the freshness of their breath, the health of their gums and teeth is so much better now. I was struggling to brush the back of their teeth. It's like wrestle tiny, fluffy, furry alligator. So they gotta build up. Their teeth become yellow, and the breath, oh my God, it was like something died in their mouth. But I found this, and it is a game changer. It has proprietary blend of prebiotics, rosemary leaf extract, brown algae, and decaffeinated green tea. It was carefully formulated by veterinarians and nutritionists to break down the tartar, improve health of the gums and teeth, and improve freshness of the breath. And it's also manufactured in the United States. Second, it's very easy to use. All you need to do is sprinkle 1 scoop of this formula on your dog's food, and that's it. No wrestling your dogs, no drama. It's easy. I'm gonna show it to you. Marshmallow, be a good boy for once in your life. Sit. Good doggo. Oh, what a good doggo. So what you do is just sprinkle 1 scoop of the formula, and that's it. Shake it a little bit. And here you go, Marshy. Come here, Marshmallow. And 1 for Chewy. Third, my dog's loving it. Marshmallow here, he is 8 pounds Coton de Tullier. He's a foodie, so he'll love the formula right away. Chewbacca, he is a 14 pounds Maltese Poodle mix, and he's very picky. He only eats 1 brand of dry food and a boiled chicken on top. That's it. That's it. So I was a little bit nervous with him. So I started with a half of scoop of this formula for the first 5 days, and then I increased for the full scoop. Marshy, you want to show your beautiful teeth? You want to smile for the camera? For the camera. Marshmallow has beautiful Hollywood smile. Good job, Marshy. I love you, buddy. All right. Where's a good doggo? Oh man. There you go. Cheese. Cheese, Chewbacca. I will continue to use ProBright Advanced Formula for my dogs because they loving it and I love the results. I will put the link for it down below. So thank you so much for watching it and have a nice day. Bye.